Oh, that's very interesting. You have a rectangular cake and a rectangular icing on top of it.
What is interesting about the shape, ma'am? It's the ingredients that make it tasty.
I don't deny it, but it is interesting. Okay, how much is Sushmita's share?
Of course, half of the cake and half of the icing.
Okay, so I will take it only if you can cut it into two equal halves by a single straight line.
Oh, you have proposed a very interesting problem, Sushmita.
Is it?
Yeah. In this simulation, what happens when mu is 1, Q coincides with the point C, which is the vertex of the triangle.
Yes.
Since lambda mu is half, lambda AP will be half of AB.
Yes.
And therefore P will be the midpoint of AB. As the ray sweeps through the circular garden, the ray passes through at most one tree.
Ma'am, Kuntal and myself, we want to discuss some topics related to continuity. Are you free?
Actually, ma'am, we thought that we will discuss what continuity mathematically means.
So, in these two relations, we see that they are functions.
Yes.
So, let me fix x naught is equal to 0.
You are correct. Have you heard the intermediate value property?
Yeah, we have heard about it.
I think that this time the Chennai weather is so pleasant.
Yeah, it is very pleasant. So what does it show now?
It's showing 24 degree now.
So taking the location of Chennai as a point on the surface of Earth, which is almost spherical in shape, consider the diametrically opposite point. So what is the probability that the temperature there is exactly the same as here at that instant of time?
Oh, ma'am, be careful.
Oh,
The table is
table is
slightly wobbling.
oh.
Even though the four legs of the table are of equal length, it's the uneven ground that is causing the wobbling of the table.
Oh, you want me to solve this by intermediate value theorem?
Are you joking?
No, I am not joking. Intermediate value property has a remarkable solution for this. So this is a nice old problem which I usually ask small children when they come and tell me that they are very much interested in mathematics and would like to pursue mathematics as their career. You have to tell me or show that at any time of the day on Sunday, the hermit was at the same height above the ground as he was at that time on Saturday. Should alpha be necessarily in B?
No,
it might not be.
because in this previous example we saw that root 2 is the least upper bound of the set, but root 2 is not a rational number.
Yes, a good observation. You were not moving with the same speed throughout your walk.
Yeah,
Am I right?
yeah.
So let us take the precise instant, namely 8:45 a.m. during your walk. Should one's instantaneous speed at any instant during his travel be exactly the same as his average speed?
Yeah, I think I got the clue now.
Okay, fine.
I also got it.
Suppose f of t at any time t
Again, we are using the intermediate value theorem.
Yes, intermediate
So it
value
has
theorem is
so
very
many
powerful.
application, yeah.
It has a lot of applications. Oh, beautiful cups, very big and very nice.
This is my.
The function.
Okay.
I think we shall discuss about the solution. Let's go to the board and discuss about the solution. It's 1 by n to the power of n, right?
So this will be.
Then it is a sequence.
Yes.
This will fetch me like 1 plus 1 by n power n by n plus 1 will be less than 1 plus 1 by n plus 1. Now I take the n plus 1 at forward.
This is your
that should
AN,
give.
that's your AN plus 1.
Yeah.
So it again shows that AN is an increasing sequence.
In fact, a strictly increasing
Sequence.
Yeah.
Exactly, it's good.
I'm very happy to invite you all to this meeting of the Calculus Forum, a quiz competition. And one of the rounds was purely based on calculus, and we would like to share some of those questions with all of you today.
Positive, positive, finally positive, positive. It crosses 0, then negative. Yeah, crosses 0 here, somewhere here. So I get again, got it.
It'd be really funny to have such speed breakers on the road.
Well, you have
Yeah,
those
there are,
in
there
IIT.
are. In front of ICSR building, it is like that.
Yes.
There at least, not infinity. Here it's infinity, right? Curve itself is discontinuous as a function of the, the down, right?
Know the values of a continuous function on a finite subset. The function is not completely determined. You can have infinitely many solutions.
So, can you think of a smaller subset?
You are asked to find an unknown natural number less than 1000.
Okay.
And you are allowed to answer yes or no.
Okay.
So the question is, how many questions do you think that you need to find out that unknown natural number?
What was that?
Oh, that's a message. Actually, I just switch on after a long time.
How many messages are you getting continuously?
So your linear approximation is good enough to predict the number of messages that you receive in every 10 minutes.
Yes,
That's
yes.
good.
Yes.